Hello everyone, it's Amar Sincilla and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great start to the new year. Tell me what your New Year's resolutions are. If your New Year's resolution is similar to mine, to have a healthier lifestyle and to eat healthier, let's make Vietnamese spring rolls. They're light, they're healthy, and they're absolutely delicious. Here's all the ingredients that you'll need to make fresh Vietnamese spring rolls. First ingredient is the Vietnamese spring roll wrapper. You can get that at your local grocery store or at your Asian grocery store. And for the ingredients that will go into the spring roll, we have some vermicelli noodles that are already boiled, some carrots sliced really thinly into matchsticks. I have some romaine lettuce shredded, and then I also have the spring mix, and we have some cooked shrimp cut into half. You can use chicken if you like, you can use cooked pork if you like, or you can even use tofu. We're gonna serve it with some sweet chili sauce and some plum sauce. Let's do it really quick. Take this, put it in water. Take it out really fast. Put some shrimp in the middle. A little bit of veggies. A little bit of carrots. A little bit of noodles. And then we're gonna roll it. If you can roll it up really fast, that'll be great. While the wrapper is still wet and moist, and you just wanna work quickly. Look at how pretty this is. Here's your Vietnamese spring rolls. That was quick and easy, and I hope this inspired you to try making it at home. All you need to do is pick it up and dip it in some dipping sauce and enjoy it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. This year, I'm dedicated to bringing you healthier menu options that will help you keep up with their New Year's resolution. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.